My name is Jason Huddleston. I'm the owner-operator of Dent Lion Paintless Dent Repair. Performing paintless dent repair is a passion. You know, every dent is different, but it's very rewarding whenever you get it done and make it flawless. To fix dents without painting, you have to massage the panel from the backside and push the damage out slowly and methodically. We glue pull damage in a case where we can't access the rear of the panel. What makes our company unique is we try to make our service as convenient for you as possible by going to your office or your home. Benefits of PDR: not painting your vehicle, not having to worry about color match problems. You also retain the value of your vehicle. I love my job. If you ask me about paintless dent repair, you should bring a chair because you're going to get the long story.